Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries, guys. Starting the day off, got stuff to do. And man, you know, I pulled this jacket off. It's a little cool today. Should be warm back up in the next couple of days. This is what Utah does in the winter. But anyways, I pulled my jacket off where we have the hooks, and I saw this little tiny jacket. I don't know why. It just made me feel like sparkly inside, tingly. Like it just to think that, you know, I have the cutest little big head son in the world, and I love him so much. He's my favoriteest thing. But anyways, let's get off to our day. We got stuff to do, guys. All right, guys, we got my buddy Steve here. He came by to help us out. We're take two in it right now because I just recorded everything that just happened, and then I just realized I didn't record a single anything at all. Steve decided he's going to come by and help out, which I'm super appreciative of. We got all the control arms off. Everything's good. Suspension's gone. Shocks are there. beadlock rings are there. And all we got to do now is just take this sway bar link off. He's like a lightning bolt. He's way faster than I am. He had his side done before I even had half of my side done. We're going to keep taking things apart, guys. Guys, man, Steve's helped me out so freaking much. Like, I wish, thank you, Steve. I know you're still here. You're just in the bathroom right now. But thank you, man. You're watching this. I know you are. You're the best, buddy. We got all this stuff off here. Basically, all I got to do now is pop that axle out, get those two bolts up there, and then I think I was just covering the microphone up. Sorry if you didn't hear me. Basically, all I got to do is just pull off a couple more bolts in there, and then disassemble it a little bit, and then after that she's ready for powder, and she's pretty much naked, boys and girls. Look at her. She looks very naked and sad. That's wild. And I got copyright music in the background. So anyways, let's get back to work. Well, guys, we were going to try to move this car on these wheels. That's the way I've done all my cars, but me and Steve started pushing it back. And we got a dead soldier on the front right.
We have a blowout.
Yeah, we got a blowout. She's not looking good, man.
She's a big girl. She's heavy.
We got a chunk missing out of that tire. We got that. Yeah, so we're just going to leave her here. And I got to get Sherv back together because I got all the parts for it. I was going to try to do it in here, but I don't know. Maybe we can roll it with it on the jack.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's try that. Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah, stay tuned for part 2. Let's see if this works. We got it, boys. I like those Badland jacks. If you haven't bought one, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't even sell them. Harbor Freight does. But they're the best jacks. Like, the Pro Eagles are so expensive. And then the Badlands are not even that expensive compared to the Pro Eagles. Look at that, guys. It's all going to get powder coated. And yeah, so. Okay. All right. We got stuff to do. I got more stuff to do. I'm not done yet. Well, there she is. Look at her, guys. Oh man, this is wild. All right, so I just got the phone with my powder coater. I said, look, man, here's the deal. I know I'm the guy that always comes to you and tells you that I need this done ASAP. And he said, oh, I know. And I said, well, I need this done ASAPPP. And that's the truth, guys. I am in a time crunch. I like, thank God for Steve. Like, if Steve didn't come through, he helped me out in so many ways. So Steve, if you are watching this video, man, I appreciate it a ton, because I needed you. I've got to get all these bushings out. I've got to get the ball joints out of everything. And he said, as long as I can drop it off tomorrow by, you know, tomorrow night, because he's a UPS driver during the day, and then he is a powder coater at night. He owns a powder coating business. He's done a lot of my cars for my customers and my own stuff. I was like, okay, I can do that. And he's like, as long as you get to me tomorrow, I can have it done for you by next Friday. And I was like, dude, that is sick. So it looks like we will be able to get this car together by about 2 weeks. I'm essentially just waiting now on everything to get done. All the paint should be done except for 3 pieces that I got to take to Kevin, but he said he can just spray those next week. They're not a big deal, as long as they just get done, you know, by next week. So here we are now, guys. I will update you more later on this video. It'll probably be either, I don't know. Either way, I'll update you in a little while. Dance. Say we're watching Trevor with Invasion talk about the mean people, and then we got DJ Miles on the 1s and 2s. Fun fact, guys, we're doing a night rave again. We're doing a night rave for UTV Invasion. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be on Saturday night, so I hope you guys that are coming to the Little Sahara Invasion. We'll be throwing an Off-Road Diaries and MB Whips night party in the desert. So we hope that you guys will show up and hang out with us. I'm gonna start editing this video, guys. Before, let me pause, Trevor. Trevor, pause. Sorry, Trevor. I love you, buddy, but there's a lot of noises happening right now. Anyways, we're doing a night party. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be great music, live DJ. We want you to bring your cars out and light up the whole area. It's gonna be in the Vendor Row area. So I'm really pumped about that. More to come on that. And then, yeah, so here's the deal, guys. Just so y'all understand, everything is off the car now. It is 100% as stripped as it's going to get. So thank God for Steve helping me today. I've got so much to do. I got 3 cars to finish in the next 2 weeks. I got to get Sherb back together, because Sherb might make a special appearance as they're saying goodbye at Little Sahara. And then, calm down, homie. What do you got to say to the people? Say hi. Okay. I've got to finish the Little Green Goblin so we can deliver it to Aiden out in Idaho for Memorial Weekend, and I got to finish the Pro R, which is the hardest part of all of it. So anyways, guys, just thought I'd let y'all know. And I'm going to be done with the video for tonight. The video's not over with. This section is. We'll see you tomorrow, because we got to go to CR Powder Coater. Say bye. Say bye. You don't want to take a nap, buddy? All right, guys, back at it, I should say. Pressing all these stupid bearings out of these things is killing me, especially in the trailing arms. They're heavy as crap. Thank God Jimbo and Krista were helping me out a little bit. Damn, I got a new handle, guys. Y'all can't see it, but this thing is...
Just put that...
Oh.
That's why I was literally like...
Whoops, sneak peek. Or it was in black and white, who knows? I might not catch stuff when I'm editing.
Put that in there, because then they're gonna put this piece on together with what was sitting over there.
What was sitting over there? I don't even know what she's talking about. All I know is I got bearings to press, things to do, and I'm not done yet. And I got to get this stuff to my powder coater in like 2 hours. That's 7 hours worth of work to do, so let's go. Alright guys, we got the stuff here, Rocky Mountain powder coaters. If you guys are in Utah and you need powder coating stuff, come out here and see my buddy at Rocky Mountain Powder Coating. He's freaking legit. We got the cage out there, all the stuff, and yeah. Alright guys, I am pumped. My powder coat is freaking awesome, man. That's so cool. I'm just so pumped. I'm so grateful to have made really good, solid relationships with people that actually look out for me and take good care of me, whether it's for my personal self or for my customers' cars. Guys, if you want to do any of this stuff, let me know. I'd love to build a car for you. Sorry, I'm looking backwards because I'm backing up. Probably shouldn't be recording and driving. But I will be back to you momentarily, probably when I get home, and share some more details. Tell them what you're thinking, buddy.
You guys have seen how
Tell them about your day.
it all adds up.
Was it a good day?
Every quarter counts. Every 4 quarters.
Say something.
$2 dollars are almost useless.
Say hi.
What have they done to our poor little dollar?
Guys, if you made it this far, you made it to the end of the video. Oh, now you want to talk? Say something. Don't be camera shy. If you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Me and Miles really appreciate you watching. So does Krista. I'm so excited. Colors picked. Actually, all the plastics have always been painted, and they look killer. And Chris actually worked a deal with the body shop because they didn't even have a freaking website, guys. So that helped take some of the pain out of the large amount of money that we're paying out. To the guys that have purchased wheels from me in the last couple weeks, you guys have been godsends because that extra money has been going straight to the build. So we really appreciate that. Packard's got sale on tires and wheels right now, guys. So if you want, call me, reach out to us, whatever, somehow get a hold of us. Numbers here again. And yeah, so I don't even know. I got so much going on, so much happening right now, so many things I've got to do for customers, which I'm super appreciative of. Having customers to work on their cars too, that helps out a ton also. But what we're going to do is end this video here. I will say this. If there's anybody out there that watches our video that makes an awesome product for a side-by-side and you'd like to sponsor us and be part of this build, that would be awesome. We do travel all over the country, as you do know. Just looking to work with other honest manufacturers, people that have a good product that's solid. Yeah, so other than that, thanks to Electric Off-Road, MB Whip, Slouch Couch. Oh, by the way, Slouch Couch, guys, they're on our website now. If you want a slouch couch, order one from us. We would love to sell you one. They're amazing. They're Utah local stuff. We'd love to get it to you. Packer stuff, love to get it to you. MB Whips, you need to light your car up, reach out to me. Love to get it to you. Krista is working on getting the website together. Do you have any updates on that?
I've been organizing all of the products for Packard, so the wheels are a little easier to shop. The supercharger kits are a little easier to shop. That was kind of, now next I'm going to start organizing MB Whips, but just trying to make it user friendly.
Yeah.
Got the slouch couches up there, which have been like flying off the shelf, you guys. They also have solo couches too, so you can legitimately have a whole outdoor inflatable setup. Like,
Yeah.
so I'm pretty excited about that.
Last but not least, all the Electric Off-Road stuff will be on there soon. It's Shopify is weird when you add these collective things or whatever. So it's easy when you do it with somebody that has a Shopify store already. You can import products super easy. The Electric Off-Road, they have a ton of products, and the exporting from the way they sell it is a little bit harder, so it takes Krista a little bit more work. So that stuff will be going on there, and we will have Electric Off-Road stuff on there, and their products are great. The quality is great. It's not I don't know how to explain it until you put your hands on their products and actually work with them. They're amazing. And you're going to see my car fully decked out electric off-road, front to rear, with almost everything they make for a Pro R. So I'm excited to showcase all of their awesome products. But, oh God, Miles got my phone and he's recording. We love you guys so much. We'll see you on Sunday. What the video will be, who's really know. But I can tell you one thing. There'll be one on Sunday. So, love you guys. Bye.